Hi my YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. This is just Raina here. And did I just hear someone asking why we are here today? Well, if you're someone who wants to transform their skin from this to that, then today is the day. I'm going to share a secret with you to reduce pores. But before we get on with the talking, let me remind all of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, subscribe to the channel to get notified for the upcoming videos. As I told you, this is a free subscription. So go ahead, do that. What are you waiting for, guys? So what are pores basically? Just wait a minute. If you got a skin which looks like this, then dear, you need to be concerned because these are open pores. Then dear, you gotta work on it. Pores are basically pit-like appearance on the outer layer of your skin, which tends to accumulate dirt, leading to multiple skin issues like acne, pimple, blackhead, excessive sebum production, which you don't want, and that's why you should take care of it at the right time. And now jumping on to the reasons. But don't worry, I got all of you covered, whatever may be the reason for pores, because I'm gonna share a secret home remedy for all of you guys there. It could be because of sun exposure. As I always emphasize on the use of sunscreen, you know the drill, you're not going to step out of your house without applying a sunscreen. Be it a sunny day, a cloudy day, whatever it is, don't skip on the sunscreen. The next one is aging. With aging, what happens out is your skin tends to lose collagen and elastin, leading to appearance of open pores. The next one is excessive oil secretion. So you'll basically notice that people who have got oily skin or combination skin tend to get the open pores. If you're someone who doesn't follow a proper cleansing routine, and you got pores, you know why. What happens out is if you don't clean your skin, your pores tend to get clogged and then does not allow your skin to breathe. So if you apply makeup, just make sure that you cleanse it out and remove it from your skin properly before going out to the bed. As your mother, your grandmother, everyone would have told you, eating a lot of oily and junk food leads to acne and excessive oil production leading to open pores. Now you know. Now let's just jump onto the first step of taking care of your pores. I'm going to tell you about the face mask which you can apply to reduce the pores. There's one thing to note down. Everyone has got a different skin type. How can the remedy be same? So I'm going to show you 3 different face masks as per the skin types. But the common ingredient for all of them is going to be the egg. For combination normal or sensitive skin, you must use corn flour along with the egg. But here we are just going to use egg whites. For the oily skin, you would need, half a lemon and egg white. For dry skin, you would need coconut oil and egg white. So let me take you through the step of preparing this face mask. So now I'm going to show you the face mask which you have to prepare if you've got normal or sensitive skin. So I'm going to take corn flour and egg white. This is the white portion that I've got. Now I need to add double the amount of corn flour into the mixture. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons. Just try to remove the lump. So you're going to get something like this. You got to apply this after cleaning your face with warm water because that's going to open up the pores for the treatment. I have to apply this on the pores. So since I've got a little bit of pores on my cheeks and nose, I'm just going to apply it there. So since this mixture is very gooey, it's better to apply it with hands.
This mixture can be stored in refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 days.
You need to keep this on for at least 10 to 15 minutes till the time it dries a little, and then you can scrub it off. Now you can see it is dry and your skin will feel tightened. That's the time to wash it off, but do that with cold water. Now it's time for the second step. Now I'm going to use this paper towel to apply ice cubes. I've prepared these matcha ice cubes using the green matcha tea. Wrap this ice cube in the paper towel and start applying on your face. Don't apply too much of pressure on your skin. Just glide it gently. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and ice cubes help to shrink down the pores. The time for step 3, which is toner. And the drill is very easy. Just open the bottle and spray it out. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you want to know how I prepare this rice water toner, check for the link above. I'm moving to the fourth step, which is serum. That's it. You're done. Now is the time for bonus tip. Application of ice cubes before makeup gives you a smooth application. Do try it out. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope these home remedies were useful for you. Go ahead and try out. I assure you, you're gonna see visible results within weeks itself. You already know the drill, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you got any questions on skincare, hairstyling or anything you want me to cover in the upcoming videos. It will be my pleasure. Then enjoy summer. Keep glowing. Bye-bye.